Salam and greetings. My name is Clerence Lewin Champin and my matrix number is 203240. And together with my partner, No ALIFAH ILYANA BINTI SHARIHAN, and together we are going to demonstrate um, Task A lab in this video. So in lab A, the task is to write a program to average numbers using x86 assembly language. And for that, this is the code that I've decided to use. Since it's an open source code, so we may use anything accordingly. So basically, in the task, it was not mentioned that how many average numbers that you're supposed to find. So it's up to you. So I've decided to use to find an average of 4 numbers. All right. Now, in this case, I use move EX to EX. So basically, it will move the value EX to the EX registers. And then now I have 4 numbers. Now, for all the 4 numbers will set a value in the variables. I've I have assigned a value for num1, which is 8, num2, 6, num3, 4, and num4, 2. So there's a value stored in here. So basically what the program is going to do is that now on the second line, the num2, which is 8, the initial value 8, will be moved to AL here. And then in order to find an average, we have to keep adding the next number to the next number to the designated address, which is on the AL, on the first addresses, which is AL. So in the next line here, so I'm going to show you. So basically, I've opened up the variables and registers here to check on the coding. So we're compiling, right? It's compiled successfully. And then if we move here, so basically there's a value on the EIP, so which means the program works. So when we press when we press next here, so basically the value 8 here will be stored in the EAX here, because that's what we have assigned our value to be stored in. So by right here, you can see the first number value, which is 8, has been stored. So the next one will be 6. So 8 for the next step, the value of number 2, which is 6, will be added into the EAX that already have the number previously here, 8. So when 8 plus 6, you should get 14. Or in a hexadecimal calculator, it will become an E here. Now, the next line here will add the third number to the current EX value here. So the EX value currently will remain as E. So the next value of 3, which is 4, will be added to E. So when it happens, E plus 4 will get 12. Yeah. And last, we have number 4, which is the value is 2. So the last value will be added into the current EX. So you will get 12 plus 2 will get 14. Now, in the move DL4 here, as from what I understand here, it depends on the number of average numbers that you're going to look for. If there's if there are 4 numbers that you're looking for average, set 4, this value must be set 4. If there's 5, then that will be set 5, and so on. So basically, we'll move the value 4 to the at DL addresses here, and then if we press tab here, the EDX has been assigned 4 value because we have assigned 4 to be moved to the DL addresses. And last, we will have the division here, like division operand here. So basically, it will divide the DL, the value of DL, with EAX here. So when 14 divided by 4 through hexadecimal, you would definitely get 5. And the halt is to halt the code and also to display the final results. So therefore, you will get 5 as your final result. So this is the successful code to find an average of 4 numbers. That's all. Thank you.